Driver, 1 minute. Adanne. They horrible. They hage kwaskabo lobu hemmering. You don't pick my calls, you don't reply my messages, you don't even call back. Adanne pasakwani ishi. Pasakwani ishi abia from town pasage ku hemberambe loalo. Pasishi they horrible.
Hold on. What is it you call yourself again?
Mevin.
Oh, that's fine. Listen, love comes with friendship. And love also comes with feelings. As a matter of fact, it all starts from the heart. I do not have any connection with you whatsoever. I don't feel anything for you. I cannot love you. Don't you get it?
I don't have one of her. Pasakwani ishi have one swag. Abatala mego. I made money.
You don't get it, right? I don't want. I am not interested. Do you want me to say them in... I don't get it. How else do you want me to say them? I don't want you. Don't you get it?
I don't have one. Come to Paniku. Daka gauge up Ashamana. They hobble. Get down.
Fine. Wait, hold on. You see, I am not surprised. I should get down from your car, right? Now let me tell you something. I do not want to see you ever again. And if I ever find your tacky little smelling black ass anywhere close to me again, I swear in God's name I'm gonna do something very, very nasty. You've got forsaken fool.
Driver, let's get up from here. I'm going for.
Mama. Hi. Oh, Manicham. Hi. Hi.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama. No. Ini Edo.
Yes, Mama.
Mama,
I brought firewood for you.
Hi. No, no. This one that you have done again. Just tell me, a man in his right senses that will not want to have you as a wife. We're good doing. My God will bless you.
Hey, Mama, you don't have to thank me. I see it as my duty to help you with your domestic work. Oh?
Thank you.
Che, how is your head?
My health is fine.
How can you
Malaria. Malaria.
Mosquito, It's everywhere. Check on me. Mosquito bites.
I don't you ever get tired of attending to me? What a clear.
Mommy, anything for you. You know you are my Mama Ekene.
It's only you have told Ekene that nobody should look at any other woman. No.
Mama Tisi.
Beauty, come back here. Stop there, Beauty.
Now what?
Beauty, what gave you the guts to talk to Marvin the way you did today?
Oh, he actually reported me to you. He should have equally told you what he said to me. Mother, can we just stop talking about Maven? I don't have that strength now, please.
Beauty, that young man loves you so much. And he is ready to do anything for you. Just give him a chance, please.
You know, when you talk about love, you don't know anything about Maven. So stop talking about him and love, because that guy cannot love a woman. He does not even know how to love a woman. He is hard, like a hardener. Yes, that's how hard he is. Mom, listen to me. Not just only that he's hard, He has this very arrogant and despicable attitude. I cannot stand him. I can't.
Beautiful. You are just a little girl. What is wrong with this girl?
You said it all.
I told you now. I told you, but you never believed me.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's always like that in this village.
Yeah, I go. What was that?
See my see my love.
Hey, yeah. Hey, will tell him.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, will tell them.
It's that girl. It's like she's not beautiful.
Hey.
Eh? She's not fine.
Okay. It is only someone that is blind that cannot behold a good thing. To me, Norma is beautiful.
So I made the right choice, eh?
Never. Hey.
Nema,
How is you?
I'm fine.
You are fine? Can I? Let me give both of you a chance.
Yes, get out. Where have you been? I've been in your house helping your mother with domestic works. Where did you go and nobody saw you anywhere? What's funny? Why are you laughing?
Nothing, no. It's the same thing that kept me at your place. I was helping your mother with some of her domestic work.
Are you serious? Eh? Hi. Mamo. Baby. You see why I love you? Eh? You see why I will keep loving you? Okay, let me use this opportunity to say thank you. Thank you for always being there for my mom. And ever since you've been helping my mom with all these jobs, she doesn't say any other thing else. Everything she's talking about is no, mom, no. Eh?
Baby, just stop. Eh? I've told you to stop thanking me for anything I do for your mother. I see it as a duty I owe her.
Oh, Chai. Hey, oh, Chubu. God, I thank you for giving me this kind of person. Eh? Why would I love you till I die? Eh? Why would I love you? See? Nemo.
Just go, eh? I helped her to prepare your delicious olubus.
It's a lie.
Honestly.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Imano Tego Ofa Agobam.
Yeah.
Ofu Nubu. My favorite. And now you're the one that prepared it for me.
Yes.
Let me go. Eh? You two come and go. I know you must be very tired.
Yes, I am.
But you know what? I'll come later in the evening and come and see you.
Come to the house. Where?
Yes, now I'll come now. I'll come. Yes, just go ahead.
Okay. I'm going to let you. Oh, Chogo could I have with them? Can't woman mother. Eh, woman mother. Bye bye.
You Tom.
Guy, forget joke. Forget joke. This girl loves you.
Eh?
She loves you.
Okay.
I overheard everything she said. I heard everything.
Lema.
Okay.
So I will be here talking with Obio Tom, and you will be there listening to what myself and my Omalicha is talking about. Eh? What is your business in what you are saying?
Okay.
Did you hear Nema in the I love you I told her? Go and look for your own love. Oh.
It is to tell you that my ear is like electric ball. Eh? Come to why not go listen? Why won't I listen?
Okay. Electric. If your ear likes, let it be like that of electric pole. Don't electric that pole reach where my girlfriend is.
Wait. On a more serious note. Marry that girl. Marry her?
Yes, now.
You see that Norma? Norma. I have never come across to any girl like that in my entire life that I can compare her with. I have never.
Nema.
Akane?
Nama. Nama.
Atoro. Akane?
Okay. I'm suspecting you.
Suspecting me? Why? What for?
I'm suspecting you.
Onto what?
Okay, if we all this movement you're moving in this village, jumping up and down, I don't know where you're getting your ideas from. Eh? Let me not see you near that girl.
Story for the gods. Story for the gods. You don't marry him?
Okay.
Have you paid for her bride price?
Oh.
You know,
Okay.
One
too. No problem. But I've told you my mind. Eh? Get out. I'm going, before I forget. Let me go back home now. She said she prepared a really sweet voodoo with soup. So let me go home now.
No, not let you. Let us go home. I'm coming right behind you.
Don't you know road to your place?
Huh? What are friends for?
Okay.
A friend indeed is a friend in need.
I have this friend you.
No, it's not. But my phone. Huh? I'm going to get answer. I'm going to go for Nubo. I am right behind you, Ekene.
Who's that guy? I always see him pass through this way. Who is he?
You mean Ekene?
Is that his name?
He's from this Umode, our neighboring village. His mother is that woman that says Akara under that big archie tree.
Wow. He is so handsome and very hardworking as well. Look, just look at...
If you come to hardworking, count him on that. He is very hardworking. In fact, the guy is good. Very okay.
His mother should be very proud of him because it is rare to see a man who is this handsome yet very hardworking. Whoa, I like him. I do, seriously.
That is exactly what singles him out of his peers. Not even only you. Everybody in this village likes him. You know? Beauty.
What do you say is the name of his village again?
It's from Umode, our name village. Beauty.
Oh, let's go.
Excuse me, Beauty.
Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Is anyone here?
Oh, Mali Cham.
Yes, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Hey. Did you see my son?
No.
But he just greeted me and told me he was coming to your house.
Okay, maybe he followed the Amoguma.
Okay, hey, yeah. Nice one.
Mama.
Give me pause. Hey.
Yes,
Give me kiss kwanka. Chekwa, Opa kisilum.
Yes, Mama.
Nindi big man. Hey. No, my God will bless you.
Thank you, Mama.
When that's your heart desire, He will grant it.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, let me be on my way.
So soon? Are you not going to spend some time with me?
Since you said that Ekene has gone to my place, let me go.
All right, my dear. But go. Don't talk to anybody on the road.
No, Mama.
All these men or boys that do their eyes, fiam. Don't look at them.
I'm for Ekene, Mama. Bye-bye.
Oh, Malicham. Hey! Who wouldn't want this beautiful girl as a wife and a daughter-in-law? She has not entered as my own daughter-in-law and she's taking care of me. Everything about me, like this. Be Ekene. That thing that will make you not to marry this girl. You must marry her. She's your wife. So that can be eating okwa and other things.
You're here, and I've been at your place waiting for your return.
Ego, what is it?
Beauty. This is unlike you.
Ego, is a kennel. I don't even know what's happening to me again. Look, I like that boy. Hey. I like him.
Are you okay? How can you allow such thoughts to consume your mindset? When you know that guy is nothing. It doesn't even match you in anything. Beauty.
I know.
You know, then why are you thinking about it?
Ego, I like that boy. I don't know. I can't even help myself. I like him. Listen, I don't know exactly. See, I'm actually waiting here for him. I'm waiting to see if he'll pass by so I can tell him how I feel.
Jesus. Hey! My friend is losing it though. You mean you're actually sitting here waiting for a boy to pass? So you stop him and tell him what? Tell him you love him. That's right! That smelling thing, Beauty!
Go, stop it now. Don't call him names. Listen. See, there are so many things about that boy that you don't see. He's wise, he's intelligent, he's handsome, he's hardworking, and wise.
Beauty, that cannot be enough reason for you to go for a man yourself. It will make you look cheap. Not only that, if he fails to grant your wish, he will tell his friends that one alone is capable of killing your image.
That's true, but what should I do now? Because I truly do love him.
Relax.
Okay?
Calm down. Everything will be alright. Just come and accompany me to the market. Please. Instead of you to sit down here, think about a guy. You'll kill yourself. Please, let's go.
No, I want to.
You can't do that to yourself. Let's go. Don't do this. Stand up. Let's go. You can't do this to yourself. Look at you, Beauty. You're not doing good to yourself. Let's go. Let's go. Look at you.
Norma.
Mama?
You know that you are a grown girl now.
Yes.
And you are very beautiful. You see, you look exactly like me when I was at your age.
Hey. Mama.
And I know that many men will begin to come around you. You have to be very careful. Because these men can be so crafty. Don't allow any of them to have carnal knowledge of you. You have to be very, very careful.
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. Mama, tell me, how did you meet Papa?
Norma, the long and short of that story is that I and your father met each other, liked ourselves. Your father was always coming around, not to know how I was doing. But one thing I never allowed him to do was to see my laps. Until he came and met my parents, paid my bride price according to our custom and tradition, married me properly. After he had married me, is when I opened my leg for him to see it. And I now took in. Got pregnant for you and your brother.
Mama, but tell me, how will you know one that loves you?
Norma, you know that love comes in different forms. But one thing I know for certain is that if a man loves you, he will never be so interested in having a carnal knowledge of you before he possesses you. He will not like to be touching you or tell you, let's go to the bush, I got this shoulder, I maka touch you. No. A man that loves you
will be protecting you. No, but you tell him so we like to help you in every way because we want to have you as his wife. You see, don't even allow them to touch you. If you see a man that want to touch you, run. Because if they touch you, they dream.
Mama touch, like just like this.
This way you touch me now. You make this. Hey, don't allow it.
I'm not allowing any man to touch me.
You come home. Because they are mischievous.
I am a Pasakwano. Eh? Pasakwano, why are you being so difficult on me?
The last time I saw you, I told you never to come anywhere close to me again, didn't I? Yeah, I did. So what in God's name are you doing here? Listen to me. I don't want you. I have said it times without number. I am not interested in whatsoever it is you've come to do. Relationship, friendship, marriage, or whatever it is, I am not interested.
Look at you. You're not even happy. A custom officer like me, asking for your hand in marriage, and you are here terroring. Do you know how many containers I've seized?
Oh, God bless my soul. Really? Like, really? Now you listen to me, young man. You will get into this godforsaken truck you call a car, and you will take your tacky-smelling custom officer wannabe self out of my compound. Now, get out!
Really?
Yes, really. Are you surprised? Oh no, you shouldn't be, because you don't even need further explanations. I have said it. I have said it point blank. I don't want you.
Alright, so it's alright, it's alright. I will leave you.
Please do!
I will leave you.
Oh, thank Jesus, he's finally going to use his head.
I will seize your mother's container.
Ah! Really? You think you can do that? Get out!
All right.
Do whatever. You cannot do more than a fool. That's who you are. Get out! Get this truck out of my compound now!
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. And I give you my heart, 'cause I think you will understand. Oh, if I got that love, where it goes, yeah,
Mama. Yes, Mama. You see what is going on between you and Tinama?
Yes, Mama.
That was exactly how your father and I started. The way Norma was attending to me was exactly the way I was attending to my mother-in-law, your grandmother. I was washing her clothes, sweeping, cleaning. But my mother-in-law, if she doesn't see me in a day, hey, trouble. Yeah. She loved me so much that she compelled your father to, that either he marries me or nothing. And your father has no choice but to marry me.
Yeah.
And we became happily married ever.
Mama. Well, that's nice, though. And I'm sure you were very beautiful that time. That's so nice.
My son, please, I would like you to do exactly what your father did by marrying me. Yes, I want you to marry Norma. She's a good girl.
Eh? Mama, so you like Norma that much?
Hey! You need to see when she comes to visit when you are not around. I dance for her.
Eh?
I praise her. Hey!
How come they like you?
Uchem there.
Yeah. So, which means I made the right decision then.
Of course, my son. Uchem there. Pretty girl. It's mad.
Mama, well, let's just pray for the will of God to happen.
Okay.
That's just it.
I'll be happy if you do.
And I will make you proud.
Thank you, Mom. Oh, thank you.
Yes.
Hi. My name is Beauty.
Yes.
And I like you.
Thank you. Hello.
No, I'm not finished yet. You know, I want to be your friend.
I don't keep friends with people I don't know. Yeah?
No, you don't get it. See, listen, I don't mean any harm. I'm not going to hurt you in any way. I just like you. I like you so much. I want us to be friends. That's all.
Oh, okay. But maybe I don't know what you mean. Man, I'm not that kind of person. I don't just go around and go about keeping friends.
I beg you, I can't have you calm me down.
I know.
You don't get it.
Yes, it's when you come. Women are stupid. You will not understand. Do you know this girl blocked me on my way? As I was going, she jumped out. I like you. I want us to be friends. With all seriousness in her face.
And what did you tell her?
No, law. Will you not stand up and know what I will tell her? You will know what. Will you expect me to tell her yes? I cannot tell her yes, and you know me. You know my kind of person.
You are a nobody. Oh yes, Ekene, you are a nobody. Let me tell you, for you to have turned this girl down means that you should go and examine yourself very well if your manhood is still intact. Any man with his right senses should have at least 5 girlfriends, whether the man is married or he is still single.
And that is why they are dying one by one and killing themselves gradually these days. Yes! Look at what you are vomiting from your mouth. How can a man, a full-fledged man, have 5 girlfriends and still survive it? Eh? Listen, let me tell you, I'm not in that league. Yes. There is nothing in this life a woman can do for me that Norma cannot do for me.
You lie, Ekene. You lie. Let me tell you, there are many things Norma cannot do for you as she is. If I'm lying, quote me wrong. Tell me if I'm lying.
Nama. Sorry. Nema. What are you trying to say? What is your conclusion now? What advice as a friend do you want to give to me?
Ekene, what I'm trying to say is, accept this girl. Accept her since she said it's just for friendship. Accept her.
Nema, I cannot. I cannot accept her because I don't want to double date.
Nobody is asking you to double date. Just accept this girl as your friend.
And throw away Norma.
No! It will not hinder you from seeing Norma or having anything to do with her.
Okay.
You wanna go?
5 girlfriends.
But wait, let me ask you. Did you say that girl approached you herself?
She approached me by herself.
Hey!
How can a full-fledged woman?
Okay.
approach a man and a man abunu. I like you, I want to marry you. And you expect me to accept her and throw away the love of my life. That's why you were all that girl, she get mind and liver. Oh. She get mind and liver. But is she okay? Does she have front and back? You wanna go get it? That is what attracts us women. Yes. If you will try and find out yourself. Approach her. Find out, because I didn't look at it. I didn't check. It wasn't my interest. She's not finer and better than my normal. But the truth is that it's you that she won, not me. If you try, you will push for that. She wants you. She wants you and not me. Okay.
Now that you finally did that which I asked you not to do, what happened? Is the news not everywhere? Have you not heard about it?
Ego, I am human. I have blood flowing in my veins. I couldn't help it. I couldn't endure it. I love this guy.
But this guy is in love with someone else. Can't you see?
It doesn't matter. That doesn't matter to me. All that matters to me is for him to see reasons with me. That's all.
If I were you, I'll forget everything about this guy. I'll forget everything about him, forget about what matters to him or not.
Yeah, it's easier said than done. I don't even expect you to understand. Listen, this is how I feel. This is how I feel inside. I'm not just saying it.
If I look at you and remember whom you're dying for, still remember he turned you down, I begin to laugh. What is it that is in that guy that will move me, Ego? Not to talk of a girl of your stand. Your dad made the cash for you and your mom before he died. What is it that you want from that daft? If telling me you are dying for the son of a prominent politician's son, I would say, go ahead, beauty. But not to that smelling pig.
Stop it. I won't have you call him names. I told you that before.
But that is exactly the truth of the definition of what it is.
Now that's it. Hold it, like right there. You mind coming inside?
Beauty, I'm just telling you nothing but the truth.
Come on, Mom. Go to backyard, and pluck double yellow leaves. Squeeze them for me and bring them for me to drink. Oh,
Mama, nothing will happen to you, yeah?
Okay.
Please, take care of her, please.
Mama, sorry, nothing will happen to you. Can I just hurry up?
Oh, God. Oh, my mother. What will I do? What will I do? What will I do? What will I do? What will I do?
Pupim, why are you crying?
My mother is dying. I know my mother. That woman is dying. She's not feeling fine. She's dying. Hey.
Pupim, but isn't it enough reason why you should come out here and start crying like women? Have you given her the dogoyaro water?
That dogoyaro thing, I think it will not work. She talked about it. But my mind is telling me that her case is very serious. It's not what dogoyaro will cure. Eh? It's not what dogoyaro. My mother needs a proper medical attention. Eh? She needs I don't want to lose that woman. I don't want to lose her. She's my life. She's everything. How can I just lose her? I need to take her to the hospital for proper medical check-up, proper medical care. But how will I take her to the hospital when there is nobody?
Okay.
I don't even have money to take her to the hospital.
It's okay. Just watch it. Yeah? It's okay.
Hey.
Okay. Let me go and see if I can borrow money from my friend Chioma. Yes.
Will you do that for me?
Yes, okay. Let me go to a shop.
Okay.
Every night, when I close my eyes, I see you.
God bless.
Doesn't mean you're the one for me. Time will tell. But please, take it easy with my heart. 'Cause my heart is so gentle and nice.
Okay.
I don't want to bleed no more. I don't want to bleed no more. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh.
This time,
Every night,
what is it? Someone close to
when I
me.
close my eyes, I see you.
How do I come in? If it's all about money, nah, I don't have money.
You're the one for me.
Chioma, Biko, Biko, you're not doing it for me. You're doing it for God. See, and I know He will definitely bless you. Oh, please, I promise to pay you back next week. I swear, it will pass next week, Biko.
So how much are we talking about?
Please, it's 5,000 naira. Oh, Biko, help me. Oh.
You promised me next week.
Oh, I promise.
Next week.
Yes.
And I'm doing it because of you. Do not disappoint me by next week.
I promise to pay you next week. It will not pass next week. Oh, Biko, please die in Biko. Oh, okay.
I'm coming.
Thank you. See, thank you very much. I promise to pay you next week. I promise I will not pay you.
Next week.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Choma, thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine. How is Mama?
Mama is fine. Mama is recovering. She's getting better. Yes.
So what did the doctor say about the child?
Well, the doctor said she'll be discharged tomorrow morning. So I had to rush down to come and pick these clothes and she will change it into.
Okay, I brought you some.
Hey! Yeah. Mama Lecham. Hey. See.
You're taking the clothes to Mama?
Yes.
Hey, whoa.
Hey, Zieno, I was even thinking of preparing something, looking for what I'll prepare for Mama to eat. I didn't know you were bringing food. God will bless you. Oh?
Obi, I've told you, stop thanking me. Of course I should do it. If not for anything, for the love I have for both of you. Remember, she's also my mother.
Hi. Oh, people. Eh? Come on, you ain't talk too much. Eh? I love you.
Let's go to the hospital, see Mama. You're here doing nothing.
That's true. Let's go.
Obi, you don't know how to do anything.
That's why you're here now. Help me and do it.
Yeah. So, from what I see so far, I think you're educated. And you're wise as well.
You can say that again.
Okay. So, back to what I wanted to tell you. I love your friend Dikeh so much.
Okay.
But he has refused to see that. So, I want you to please help me and talk to him. I want you to tell him that I love him so much and that I want to be his friend.
Okay. Just like that? As in, just like that without anything? You mean I should tell Ekene that you love him? I should go and tell him? Ah, beauty. Eh? Don't you know that when you want to cultivate on a farmland, you have to first of all till the ground and sow your seed. Then relax and wait for it to germinate. Let me tell you, I am now like a ground and you have tilled me. So sow your seed of faith and wait for me to germinate, beauty. Can you feel about the agua? Is this gonna promo?
That's fine, that's fine. You're so funny.
You.
Okay,
Okay.
let me ask. Are you sure you can get his attention for me?
Attention. I can do that for you depending on how much you pay. Let me tell you. Yeah? If you pay big, you will get his all love and attention all to yourself. But if you pay small, I'm sorry, you will get small portion. Or let me say, some portion of his love.
Oh, I like the sound of that. I like it.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, Olomo lati yellow. Huh?
Okay, this should be about 50,000.
Huh?
And promise me you do a good job.
I am not only promising you beauty. You see? With this, Ekene is all yours. Ekene is all yours from head to toe.
Really?
Ah, yes. Everything. Even the one he has for that girl. Everything will be yours.
Wow.
If you say Ekene, you see? What else are we talking about? We are together. Huh?
Okay, let me tell you that Mom will be coming.
Okay.
As soon as I start seeing results.
Okay.
You trust me, don't you?
I trust you. I trust everything you're saying.
Okay.
That's
fine.
Okay.
So, thank you very much.
Oh, mention it.
And I'll be on my way now.
No problem. No problem.
You.
Beauty.
Funny.
Oh. Don't worry. Before you close your eyes and open it, you will see Ekene.
That's a deal.
Oh, Biomia. Oh, Biomia, come on, no. Huh? Oh, I can't get you Ekene. No need of counting. The money is too big.
Mother, you slapped me. Oh, I will slap you again if that is the only language you could understand. How dare you? What is wrong with you? Have you no brains? Eh? How can you stoop so low as to ask for a commoner's hand in friendship?
Mother, that commoner, like you rightly called him, is the one that pleases me. He is the one that I love. Mom, can you just allow me to follow the rhythm of my heart?
Oh, that rhythm of your heart will cause you tears if you don't take your time. What do you even think about love? What do you know about love? How can a woman like you approach a man? A man that is not even worth it. Beauty, Beauty, how many times did I call you? You are making me to shout and I don't like it. Be warned.
Mom, you slapped me. You slapped me. Is that the only way to advise your own daughter?
Yes, I will slap you again. I will slap you again like I said before. How can a woman like you approach a man? You are a young woman, my daughter. You don't have to approach a man. A man who doesn't even want it. Beauty, I don't like what you're doing. I don't like it one bit.
Well, mother, that young man is the one that pleases me. And there is nothing you or anyone else can do or say that will convince me otherwise.
It's all right. Go ahead loving him. I won't try to stop you again. But I will tell you one thing. When the time comes, I will know between you and I who gave birth to each other. Nonsense.
And I gave my heart away, thinking love will understand. Oh, be well, oh, be well.
I want you to know that the love I have for you is so precious that not even poverty and challenges of life can change it. Though I might not have money, though I might not be as rich as others, please, I want you to stay with me. I want you to always love me in sickness and in health. Please.
My love, I promise you this day to love you with everything in me, my body, my soul. I would say you're the reason why I've been created. Without you in my life, I'm incomplete. Promise me you will never leave me for another.
Promise.
Promise.
Yes. This day I promise I will always love you. I will not share my love with any other person till I die.
I promise to love you too.
Every night when I close my eyes, I see you.
Hello?
Doesn't mean
Hey!
you're the one for me.
Hi.
Time will tell.
I'm calling you. How are you? Oh, okay, that's fine. Who is it to you?
Who?
The guy you were standing with.
Oh. Ekene?
Yeah, that's him.
He's my friend. Is there any problem?
No, not at all. No problems. Listen, I want him to be my friend as well. I like him. He's loving, he's charming, he's everything a woman can think of. I like him. I like him. No! You're getting me twisted. I don't mean any harm. Listen, I just want him to be my friend. Is that too much to ask for?
Hey, come. I can see you don't have any reasonable thing to do. At least you can help yourself with some work.
Okay,
Hey.
that's fine. I think you're not in a good mood to talk, but I'll just go after what I want. Thank you, by the way.
Nama, like I said before, you are not another person to me. In fact, as a matter of fact, you are like a sister to me. Eh? And if I see evil coming to you and I didn't stop it, that means I am not a good person. You might even tag me Neema, the bad man. Eh? I cannot see evil befall you and I will keep quiet.
It's true.
See, I want you to mind the way you laugh with Ekene. Oh yes. Minimize it. Minimize it. Ekene is my friend and I can say lots about him. Let me tell you, he doesn't love you. Oh yes. he is only deceiving you. Not even an atom of love for you. As a matter of fact, he has a girl whom he loves and cherishes so much. He's even planning to, he wants to marry the girl if the opportunity calls for that.
What?
Are you surprised? My dear, you don't have to be. Don't be surprised. All I want from you is to open your eyes. Shine your eyes. And very soon, you will find out the truth. You will find out the truth and nothing but the truth. I'll be on my way now. Don't say I didn't tell you, because I told you. Okay. I told you, no, I told you.
In love with another woman. Hey, it's not possible. In this village, you can't argue me. Let me help you that.
The one I will give you now. You come and so nonsense. The one I gave to you yesterday is so nonsense.
At least I tried now.
Mama, good afternoon.
Hey, Ekene. No. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hi, how is your mother now?
No.
Hey, no, bro. No.
Yes.
Hey, no.
Okay.
Come here.
Yes.
Chai.
What? What do you want here?
Norma, what have I done to you? If there is anything bad I did to you, tell me. I will apologize to you. Why are you doing this? Can you even Maggie?
Hey, please don't touch me. Nonsense.
Norma.
Ekene, why are you chasing shadows when there are many chances of good opportunities lined up for you to grab? Why?
How do you mean?
Okay. Ekene, it is time for you to open your eyes. Open your eyes and see reasons with me. You wanna go? Kedeka afudu bebe mmadụ na-anọ na mmiri ọfụfụ nta abanye ya n'anya. Mana afugo m ka o si na-abagị n'anya ugbu a. A man never makes math with poverty, but his pocket. See, a man is worth a complete man if only that which makes him a man is there for him. And you know what I'm talking about. Money! There you go! There you go!
Nema, I still don't understand where you're driving to. Why don't you just come out clearer so at least I can understand you? You're getting me confused. Confused, you know, what has him?
Hey, Wolomo to your long. Hey, Wolomo to your long. Okay, let me ask you this question. What can Norma give to you? Just be free. You're a man like me. Tell me, what can she help you to achieve in this your miserable life? Because me looking at you, your life is miserable. Look, my guy. Ekene, wise people are the only people who knows how to utilize their opportunities when it comes to them. Opportunity na ozogi na akruga bong iju me hozo. If I were you, I will forget everything about Norma completely and move on with this girl, Beauty. Guy, this girl really loves you and never ready to change your life for good. All she needs from you is to accept her into your life. That's all. That is all she wants from you. Hey.
Okay. Nema. Ego neka kwụrụ. Kedu onye kwụrụ gị ụgwọ a? Ijikwa uche gị? Yeah? How much were you paid? And who paid you to come and say this? No, answer me. Because I know you, Nema. I know you. Nema will never in his life say anything negative about myself and Nneoma. That's the truth. But see what you're saying now. The girl loves me. One day, I don't love that girl. I don't love her one bit. Even one small love. I don't love her. I don't even want to see her anywhere around me. The only person I want in my life now is Nneoma.
Okay. You lie! Let me tell you. You have everything to do with this girl. Beauty. At least, if not for any other thing, for the sake of her money. For the sake of her money. She has a car. Oh boy, we need to get this money from this girl.
If she likes, let her have a aeroplane. If she likes, let her people have mansion everywhere in this country. I don't care. See, I love my Nneoma and I am contented with it. Listen, better go back and tell her I am not interested. I am contented the way I am. I'm fine.
See package, you know. But just imagine, listen to yourself. Let me tell you, if this is a joke, better stop it. Better stop it and play this game. Play this game, my friend.
You know why I thank God? Why I thank God is that you're a man. Complete man. If you love her, it's not a crime. Go and love her, play the game, eat the money alone. I don't want. That is in a puzzle. Rubbish. Once.
How does it go? You're not keep your hair. You are packaging. When you know you have nothing in your pocket. It's okay.
Were you given an offer of money by a girl which you rejected?
Yes, Mama. Yes.
Why? Makageni? Is it because of Nneoma?
Exactly, Mama.
Hey!
You know I love Nneoma so much. And I can't just start collecting money from somebody just like that. Because I want to remember Siabia. So I can't even pretend to love her.
Shut up your mouth! What can Nneoma do for you? You want to die chasing shadow? You want to die chasing shadows? Amarife? See, let me tell you. You will start from this very moment to nurture feelings in your heart for that girl. Look at you. What is wrong with you? Imakwefe, can't you see that God is about lifting this family up? God is bringing good things for us.
Mama, I should nurture something in my mind. But Mama, you surprised me. You surprised me, Mama. Mama, wait. Are you not the same person that said, if I don't marry Nneoma, that you will not be happy? Mama, is this not the same Nneoma that is toiling day and night, toiling, stressing herself to come here and take care of you? Is it not the same person you said that if I marry her, I will make you a fulfilled woman? Mama, don't tell me you have started falling in love with another person because of money. Somebody you don't know. Somebody you don't even know where she's coming from. Mama, where is your conscience?
I asked where is your own conscience.